Hi, welcome back to the Roanoke Public Library, and this is DIY with the library. My name is Sharon. I usually work at the front desk, but I've been seeing Ross and Liesel doing all these fun things, and I wanted to try because I like crafts too.
Yay!
So today, I thought we could make some caterpillars.
That is so cool.
I thought they were a lot of fun.
Awesome.
You can paint them any colors you want.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And they're bright and happy, and I just thought it'd be perfect for a sunny day like today.
Absolutely. I love it.
They're super easy to make. All we need is a paper plate, there, and some scissors, and some markers, or you can use crayons or colored pencils, paint, anything you want.
Awesome.
And a little piece of construction paper. Doesn't need to be big, so you can use a scrap from a different project.
Awesome.
And if you want, maybe some googly eyes.
Googly eyes.
Yes, that's the best part.
Love googly
And
eyes.
these are sticky googly eyes, but if yours don't stick, you can also get some glue. So we have that just in case.
Perfect.
So the way you make these is first you take your scissors and your plate, and we're just going to cut the plate right in half. And the best part about this is that one paper plate makes 2 caterpillars.
Yes.
So you and a friend can do this together. We're going to cut in half, and then we're going to cut out that middle part right here. There we go. And we'll just save that one for later.
Perfect.
Okay, so there's our piece.
Yay.
And then we're going to take your markers or your crayons or your paint or your pencils and just start coloring it. And you see this one I did stripies. I think I'm going to do polka dots this time.
I
I'm
love
getting fancy.
polka dots.
I'm
Yes.
getting fancy.
So fancy.
I love polka dots.
They're so fun.
Okay, so here's what I came up with. I decided I wanted some stripes after all, so I've got polka dots and stripes.
Very nice.
I like that orange, it's so bright.
Yes.
So the next thing we need to do is we need to make our head.
Oh.
And that's what we're going to take our little piece of paper, little piece of construction paper, and we're just going to draw a little head on here, like that. And something else we can do, I didn't think of this till afterwards, but if you want, if you have pipe cleaners or anything like that,
Yeah.
you could glue pipe cleaners on the back of it and have those.
Definitely.
Curl those, do all kinds of fun stuff.
Yes. Oh, that'd be super fun.
Yeah. This is a little tricky because you got some close little lines here. So if you need help with this, that's just fine.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to snip off an antenna.
No, definitely not. It would be a sad day for Mr. Caterpillar.
It would. Okay. There we go.
Cool.
So there's my little head,
Awesome.
and I'm gonna give him a big pink smile
Fun.
right here. Big
Yay.
pink smile. And then
Oh, yeah. You gotta go with the googly
gotta
eyes.
have googly eyes. Let's see. Make sure these stick. Oh yeah, I think they'll stick fine. All right. So there's my face.
Very nice.
And then, so the last part, we're almost done already. This is a
Oh
quick
my
one.
gosh. This is great.
We're gonna put his little head right here. There's
Nice.
a couple ways you can do this. I've got a stapler here, and I'm gonna put the stapler so it looks like his nose.
Ah, I love it.
But if you don't have a stapler, you can tape it on there, you can glue it on there. You can do it however you want.
Awesome.
But there's my caterpillar.
Yay.
Buddy, now I've got 2.
It looks so good.
So that's how you make a caterpillar.
Very cool. Thank you
You're
so
very welcome.
much.
Have fun. Send us
Yay.
pictures of your caterpillars.
Yes, definitely.
Right. Bye-bye. Nom, 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 nom.